screenshot. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway is going to be our part 2 series of Did You Get Ripped Off by a Cub Cadet Lawn Mower? I actually enjoyed that video and a couple of you guys did too as well. On our weekly live mini Mrs. PATTAY'S Performance, we touched on that we wanted to push it a little further. We have a very graciously long-time subscriber, D Fields, great guy. Check him out. He's been with us since the get-go, since day 1, day 0, with terrible sound. He's a fellow flipper and fixer. He, in this video, or in the comments, we spoke about Weedeater. This lawnmower popped up for sale, and in the pictures, I thought Weedeater was made by MTD. And we had a healthy discussion. There was no arguments here today. Together we learned. There was no question about always learning. And I thought in the pictures that Weedeater was made by MTD, and he said no. It's made by AYP, American Yard Products, made the same like Husqvarna at the time. Ironically, I needed to buy a lawnmower. Ironically, I bought the Weedeater we were talking about. So let's see who was right. We're all right. In the end, we're all going to win because we're all going to learn something today. So, if you guys remember my Cub Cadet video, the Cub Cadet is made by MTD. It is not made by Cub Cadet. A lot of the parts swapped over. From the photos of this ad, hopefully I still have it. They didn't delete it. I thought, let's see if I am right. Now, without even looking, the wheels are going to swap over. Let's not bother with them. But lawnmower wheels are kind of universal, so we're not going to highlight that. I mean, it's 9/16 and 9/16 are good to go. I mean, do you really want me to swap them over? Do you really think that's necessary? I don't think so. Okay, flat out, we know that these engines are the same. There is no question about it. Identical. Look at that exhaust. Look at that exhaust. Wheels are the same. There is that. Let's not go crazy. Let's see what swaps over and what does not, body-wise. I know for a fact. I don't know yet. Our MTD bag. I'm sorry, our Weedeater bag will not swap over. They are different models. Make sure you guys are getting this. Okay, see that? See the tits on the side? With the nipples? And this has hooks. Maybe different generation lawnmowers. Kind of hard to say because they both have the new and improved plastic grids. Part number for this AYP, I don't even know if this is AYP. But this lawnmower is there is no sign of it. I can't even give you a model number for this. Oh, right here. On the side. Wow, this is the 961390001. This is a 21-inch cup. This MTD made by Craftsman, made by MTD, model number 247374301. This one's made in 2012. And this one is made in 2013. Not too shabby. Next, a side discharge chute. No, that doesn't work. There's a difference in the side discharge chute. I probably could make this work, but this hook right here interferes. The same but different. The last piece, I guess, would be maybe our saving grace. Maybe. Let me turn this over. I have to change the blade. It's the lawnmower blade. Okay. As you guys know, I bought a crap ton of lawnmower blades. Well, a crap ton. Not enough, because this is my last one now. Oh, shit. Alright, so as you guys know, I bought a crap ton of these lawnmower blades for the MTD yard machines. Got them at $8 a pop, and this is my last one. This thing desperately needs a lawnmower blade. Let's see if it matches up. I just need the boobies to line up, please. No, it does not. Alright, so D-Field, you are right. I need a completely different blade. And that means I gotta go. D-Field, you're right. I am sorry. Great job. And it's almost my turn, so I gotta go. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.